we talking about, Matt?
We're talking about hierarchies.
Why do we give a shit about hierarchy?
Because that is how society functions. Today we're going to be talking about hierarchy. And maybe balls too. We've talked previously about how contrast can be used to bring attention to different things. Now we're going to talk about how hierarchy can be used. Now here in the image we have a very big red ball. Second we have this kind of tutti frutti ball here. Next this earth looking ball with the blue and the greens. Then just a blue ball, then a blue and a white ball to finish it off. Now there's a lot of things we can talk about here. First we're going to talk about the size differences. The size differences are very clear where we've got one large ball here and it's decreasingly the balls are shrinking. The top ball is the largest and immediately we are drawn to that one first because of the size and also the colour. If you notice here the colour as we go down it gets a bit more muted and a bit more quiet almost. Where the last ball, probably when you guys first looked at this, probably didn't even recognise it. Now this is a great way of visually communicating importance. From this image you can gather that probably the most important ball out of all these balls is the red and black one. And then as they go down, much like hierarchical structures in society, the most important ball is the biggest. And the same works for graphic design as well. It's worth thinking about the placement of these balls as well. The spheres clearly are in one diagonal here, and the placement shows as it's almost going down in a diagonal, most important at the top, reaching down to the bottom. And this can also be used in text, stuff like this. Often you'll see in newspapers, you'll see a heading supposed to grab your attention, and then the body of text is you're supposed to read second. No one reads the paragraph and then figures out what the topic of the entire paragraph was. If you liked our talk about hierarchy, just let us know what your favourite hierarchical system is.